I chose to present the topic of spiritual care in nursing. Spiritual care is a relevant issue that needs to be addressed as it is an integral dimension of each individual's well-being and physical health. Because we, as humans, are made up of more than our physical bodies, we must be sensitive to the needs of others, including their spiritual needs. Our job, after all, is to provide compassionate care for the patients assigned to our name. It is important to understand the foundation of spirituality as to provide proper spiritual care. The core of spirituality is the quest to find meaning and purpose in life experiences. What are we doing here? Around the world, spiritual care in nursing is an essential aspect of providing holistic care. But within our profession, there is a lack of certainty over the meaning of spirituality and the delivery of spiritual care. Holistic care cannot be thoroughly performed without the understanding and implementation of spiritual care. Spiritual care is being aware of the patient's desires and beliefs and respecting them enough to talk about them comfortably. These conversations, if performed properly, will undoubtedly create a mutual bond between the nurse and patient and will, in turn, make all nursing procedures easier and more enjoyable for both the caregiver and the patient. Because spirituality and religion, they're not always the same, have become such a touchy subject in today's culture, many people, especially nurses, just avoid the subject completely. When the patient begins to talk about these things, instead of listening to them, which is required by therapeutic communication techniques, the nurse quickly becomes busy and has the need to leave the room immediately. The nurse, though sometimes it might be unconsciously, will then avoid the room completely and has the overarching stress on her shoulders due to one remark by one patient. This stress can easily be avoided by allowing yourself to listen to the patient and by learning the acceptable approaches to providing spiritual care. According to one definition, spiritual well-being is the affirmation of life in a relationship with God, self, community, and environment that nurtures and celebrates wholeness. End quote. Spirituality affects one's wholeness, both their personal and physical health. Oncology studies have shown that unmet spiritual needs in cancer patients have affected both their emotional and spiritual well-being. In addition, providing spiritual care and religious involvement in mental health institutes may provide a more consistent and uniform mental health outcome. No matter of your individual beliefs, we must take into consideration the beliefs of others. It's our job. Spirituality needs to be taken seriously in the healthcare system, as millions of its recipients are dependent upon it. If someone is robbed from their dependency, stability, their security, then their well-being, whether emotional or physical or both, will be affected. This leaves the healthcare system with a greater problem than before. This is a quote by Mr. King. Spirituality, not as an idea or concept, but as praxis, is resonant with longings for the permanent, eternal, everlasting, for wholeness, peace, joy, and bliss, which have haunted human beings throughout history and for which many are hungering today. End quote. Spirituality affects society every day because of individual beliefs. Because of the dominating belief that there is a higher power in society, there is a search for direction and meaning of life. This keeps the chaos in the world from exploding. People live out their own perception of purpose, keeping the society in a somewhat balanced tangent. In conclusion, the patient's spirituality and thus spiritual care is often the first aspect of holistic care that is forgotten or avoided completely. It is important that we care for every part of our patient's health, emotionally, physically, spiritually, body, mind, soul, and spirit. Only then will the patient be able to experience complete healing. It is equally important to be respectful to the patient's views and the way they live out their spirituality. Our job is to restore the patient to health, not to disregard their beliefs. No doubt, nursing as a profession is a sacred job, as we are entrusted with the lives of others. We must take every component of their being seriously, with hopes to restore them back to society in full health.